Hey everyone, I'm Alex, and today I want to show you exactly how I take long-form videos and turn them into a steady stream of ready-to-post clips without losing hours to manual editing. If you have ever spent hours in complex software like Premiere or Final Cut wishing for an easier path, then this is definitely for you because we are focusing on efficiency. Essentially, Vizard is an AI-powered engine that automatically scans your long videos, identifies the most engaging highlights, and converts them into short, shareable content. It really handles all the heavy lifting, from detecting punchy moments to generating perfectly captioned clips in the right aspect ratios for every platform you use. I have been using this tool extensively for everything from webinar highlights and course trailers to quick internal training snippets, and the time savings have been incredible. Let me walk you through the actual workflow so you can see how straightforward the process really is. To start, you simply upload your raw file, whether it is a product walkthrough, a long YouTube stream, or a recorded webinar, directly into the platform. The AI immediately gets to work scanning the entire file to pinpoint those high-energy spikes like audience applause, emotional reactions, or really strong, punchy phrases. Within just a few minutes, it presents you with a curated list of bite-sized clips that are essentially ready for you to review and publish. Compared to the traditional pipeline where I would manually scrub through hours of footage and handle all the cutting and formatting myself, this is a massive upgrade in focus. I used to spend half a day just prepping 15 clips, but now I can have a full batch of social posts ready to go in under an hour. Let us dive into the core features that actually make this workflow successful. The primary feature is the auto-editing engine, which uses smart scoring to find conversational peaks and emotional beats rather than just splitting by time. This means the clips it generates are actually optimized for engagement on platforms like TikTok, LinkedIn, or YouTube Shorts. Next is the automated captioning, which saves me the biggest headache of the entire editing process. You can easily customize the font, colors, and layout, and the AI will automatically reflow the text to match the platform's specific style requirements. Third, the auto schedule feature removes the need to manually export and upload files one by one every single morning. You just set your preferred frequency and the tool will queue everything up to publish automatically on your behalf. Finally, there is the content calendar, which gives you a high-level view of your entire pipeline in one single glance. This is perfect if you are working with a team or juggling multiple channels and need to keep everything organized. If you are comparing this to heavy-duty tools like Premiere or Final Cut, remember that those are for complete creative control, not for rapid repurposing. Vizard hits that perfect sweet spot of automatic clipping and scheduling that most other tools simply lack. When you are inside the clips view, you get a list of suggestions complete with thumbnails and confidence scores for each moment. You can always refine these by adjusting the start and end points yourself, or even manually selecting a segment if the AI missed a moment you love. One detail I really appreciate is how it identifies filler words and pauses, giving you the choice to clean them up instantly. You also have different style presets like a tutorial look or a punchy promo style to match the vibe of your content perfectly. If the initial batch of clips is not quite what you need, you can just hit the regenerate button for a fresh perspective on the same footage. I have found this incredibly useful for turning interviews into a week-long series of micro stories. Similarly, for course creators, you can turn long lectures into snackable tips that really help with audience growth. Now, to be totally transparent, the AI is not perfect, and it will sometimes pick a moment that needs a slight manual tweak. But that is okay because it is designed to handle the heavy lifting, not to replace your creative input entirely. It offers platform-aware exports, so whether you need SRT files or embedded captions, you are fully covered for every social channel. If you are curious about trying it out, there is usually a free trial available so you can run one of your own recordings through the system. I have put the link in the description, so go ahead and take it for a spin with one of your longer videos. The bottom line is that for marketers, coaches, and creators who need a consistent output, this is a massive force multiplier for your workflow. It helps you show up consistently across all your platforms without requiring you to live inside a video editor every single day. Remember to experiment with different style presets and use the calendar to plan out your content cadence effectively. If you have questions about my specific workflow, just drop a comment and I would be happy to share more examples. Thanks so much for watching, and I honestly cannot wait to see what kind of clips you create. Go check the link below to get started, and I will see you in the next one.